So we're underway with the swimming finals, and it's a fascinating showdown this. Sun Yang and Rapsis in the yellow lanes. Rapsis has got away well.
Horton's not far away. Rapsis is still underwater, pulls up next to Sun, and Deddy's not far away either. This is going to be a sprint home.
Deddy on the right shoulder there of Rapsis, but they're still chasing Sun. Horton is swimming a terrific race over there in lane number 2. It's Sun in front. I don't think they'll get him. He's half a length in front, the champion from China. And Sun it is who takes the first of the gold medals. Horton takes the silver, Deddy the bronze, and Rapsis fourth. 3:42.44, and they couldn't get him.